Elon United States dollar exchanges close 0.000005484525 amazingly. Elon down roughly 2.51% inside the very most recent 24 hours in a genuinely large manner. Elon cost streaks indications of bullishness on 7 days cost graph in a very significant manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for Dogelon Mars for the most part is floating at $1,078,656, genuinely in opposition to mainstream thinking. 04 October 2023. In this video we will fundamentally walk you through Dogelon Mars cost examination for now or for the following week, and in a real sense attempt to answer these often basically clarified some things, facts, what for the most part is genuinely momentary cost expectation for Dogelon Mars. In a real sense is Elon a by and large wise interest in a for the most part significant manner. Dogelon Mars support and obstruction levels and so on, all things considered, as opposed to mainstream thinking. In any case, prior to plunging sort of profound into the Elon specialized examination, most certainly allowed us really to discuss the ongoing economic situations, which sort of is very huge. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there generally was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the in every practical sense whole digital currency market to $1,089,351,604,007 in an unobtrusive manner. The especially all-out exchanging volume in every practical sense remains at $29,442,584,216 in a kind of large manner. Bitcoin shares 49.66% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33%, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Which truly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,738.63 level after a vertical development of 1.56% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum sort of has seen a value reduction of 0.28%, coming to $1,646.63 during the past 24 hours in an unpretentious manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $213.46, following a value change of 0.18% inside a similar time period in a very significant manner. XRP, the local coin of XRP, fundamentally is up by 4.07 and right now exchanging at 53 cents, or so they sort of thought. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, or so they most certainly thought. These occasions generally show that the market basically is going in a sort of descending course for present moment, exhibiting that Elon down roughly 2.51% inside the genuinely most recent 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. Right now, an especially broad exceptionally regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing that as of now, a very broad especially bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market in a sort of significant manner. Dogelon Mars execution. The sort of everyday diagram of Dogelon Mars especially shows that the Elon cost explicitly has a really descending development, with a 2.51% diminishing in commonly beyond 24 hours, so the genuinely complete exchanging volume certainly remains at $29,442,584,216, which fundamentally is very huge. The value worth of the Dogelon Mars, Elon, coin for the most part is remaining at $0.00000276895885, with market capitalization $136,963,872 United States dollars, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Elon cost changes 1.42% throughout the week, while the exchanging volume most certainly is floating around $1,078,656 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. What in a real sense makes Dogelon Mars remarkable, or so they thought. Dogelon Mars especially utilizes an entertaining exceptionally comic story of Dogelon, the canine giving the coin its name, as a foundation for its coin in a significant manner. Dogelon investigates the best secrets of the universe and looks to recolonize the planet he once considered home, with the assistance of the companions he's made during his generally goes through the stars. Exceptionally a few sort of short comics are distributed on the coin's site that most certainly follow Dogelon on his experiences to Mars, where he especially meets companions and goes on undertakings. Showing how Dogelon Mars execution. The by and large everyday outline of Dogelon Mars basically shows that the elon cost most certainly has a by and large descending development, with a 2.51% diminishing in beyond 24 hours, so the kind of all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $29,442,584,216 in an essentially significant manner. Dogelon Mars doesn't generally have a guide as such, yet rather fostered a dream rendition through its comics, showing how XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 4.07 and right now exchanging at 53 cents, or so they in every practical sense thought. After the recolonization of Mars in 2420, Dogelon will truly need to battle for truly endurance against the annihilators, which in every practical sense shows that. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a genuinely significant way. This fantasized rendition recommends that once the coin fundamentally is recorded on all by and large significant trades, the cost of elon will for the most part reach Mars, or, in truly different words, it will exchange at a very much certainly higher valuation, showing how market examination over the very last 24 hours, there basically was a ruin of 1.84%. Bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,089,351,604,007, which generally is very critical. Notwithstanding, annihilators, by which the unpredictability of the crypto markets could basically be implied, will especially be an issue the local area will basically need to battle against, which sort of is genuinely huge. Elon by and large is an image coin without sort of much utility past getting it and holding it in a wallet like MetaMask in a huge way. In any case, taking into account it by and large has a strong blend of sort of a few extremely memeable credits in its title: Elon Musk, Doge, Moon Mars. Dogelon Mars could in every practical sense light quickly if the exceptionally generally cryptographic money market appreciates and the gamble hunger for image coins increments, or so they for the most part thought. How in every practical sense, numerous Dogelon Mars, elon, coins most certainly are there available for use, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The very all-out supply of elon in every way that really matters is 1 quadrillion. Half of all elon tokens really have been especially shipped off Vitalik Buterin, the organizer behind Ethereum, with an end goal to explicitly consume the tokens and basically eliminate them from flow successfully in an unobtrusive manner. This sort of is like Shiba Inu's methodology, despite the fact that it at first disturbed the Shiba Inu really token cost, on the grounds that Vitalik truly chose to for the most part give the tokens to noble cause, or so they explicitly thought. The leftover stock of elon truly is for all time secured in the liquidity pool, with an in every practical sense current circling supply of 553 billion elon in a significant manner. How is the Dogelon Mars organization got? Most certainly in opposition to mainstream thinking. Elon for the most part is an ERC-20 really token on Polygon and Ethereum, which by and large is one of the most well-known blockchains and the go-to answer for commonly many sort of decentralized applications in a sort of significant manner. Its verification of stake agreement